How to log in and out of Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, on the Facebook application on your device, and here what you simply need to do is tap on your login credentials. So first of all, you can either mention your mobile number or your email ID. So let's just enter the email ID over here. Just enter this and then tap on your password and then log in. So as you log in and enter your password and your email ID or your mobile number and have stable internet connection, you'll be able to log into your Facebook account. Now, if you want to log out, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of log out. So simply tap on log out. It will give you the pop-up, and then tap on save your login info. Log out again, and it will start to log you out of the Facebook application. So wait for a while, and after a few seconds it will log you out of Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.